Hey, what's going on, you guys? This is Keen over at AskaJeeper, and today what we're going to be doing is teaching you how to replace your upper and lower radiator hoses and show you a quick tip, and also I guess we're making a video today on how to increase your cooling performance just with a simple trick with your thermostat housing. So let's go ahead and start with the video. It's got two clamps here, one right there and one right there, and then you get under the vehicle. I actually found out that I have transmission fluid leaking, so I'm gonna have to replace that line right there, but the lower radiator hose is right there, about there. All right, so here's the old radiator hose and this is the new one. It's part number, crap, I don't know what the part number is. I will have to look that up for you, but I know at least the lower hose part number is 52079401. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and replace that one. We'll go do this one real quick. It's nice because it has a heat wrap on it, which will be good, and it's not springed. So now we have the new hose in. All we have to do is tighten the clamps, make sure that, I gotta pull this one off real quick. I want to make sure that you align it correctly, the clamp, so you can unscrew it easily in the future when you have to put this old one, or take this old one off. Alright, so now that we've gotten all that tightened on, something that I wish I would have done was when I had the radiator fan off and stuff like that, I wish I would have taken the hose off. Let me show you with my flashlight. So the pump, the water pump is what connects the lower radiator hose all the way to the bottom down there that we showed you. I'm gonna get in there and try and replace this hose. The screw for the clamp is right. Let me see if I can get it, show you guys. I can't get it from this angle. But anyways, there's a hose in there that you'll find, and we'll be able to get that all figured out. All right, so after some trial and error, we got the lower radiator hose off. And so now we're gonna just go ahead and drive it through here so we can hook it back up to the water pump and as well to the bottom part of the radiator. One thing that you will note, coolant will come flowing out of it. So it's best to just drain your coolant, or just, I guess you could just let it flow out. This was kind of a messy job. I just let it flow out. Completely forgot about it. But yeah, drain it out first, and then so you don't create a big mess like me. All right, guys, as you can see, I got a lot of grease on my face. It was a little harder getting on the lower hose just because I had to finagle it through there. Would highly recommend taking the radiator fan off so you have more space to do all this with. But we got it all figured out. Now we're just gonna pour the coolant back into the radiator cap so we have coolant in the actual radiator, and then we'll be good to go. Now for the moment of truth, we're gonna see if everything starts up correctly, and hopefully nothing's leaking.